Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to transfer crypto from Coinbase to Binance US in 2025. Whether you're looking to diversify your portfolio, chase better trading fees, or just explore new platforms, this step-by-step guide will have you transferring assets smoothly and securely. With evolving regulations and platform updates in 2025, it's more important than ever to get this right, so let's jump right in. First things first, make sure your accounts are fully set up and verified on both Coinbase and Binance US. This is crucial for security and to avoid any delays. Log into your Coinbase account and head to the Assets or Portfolio section. Select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Remember, not all coins are supported for transfers, so double-check compatibility. Next, you'll need to get your Binance US wallet address. Open your Binance US account, go to the Wallet tab, and select Deposit. Choose the same cryptocurrency you're transferring from Coinbase. Copy the wallet address provided. It's a long string of letters and numbers, so be careful not to make any typos. Now, back on Coinbase, navigate to the Send or Withdraw option for your selected crypto. Paste in the Binance US wallet address, enter the amount you want to transfer, and review the details. Don't forget to check for any withdrawal fees, which might have changed in 2025 due to new policies. Aim to transfer amounts that make these fees worthwhile. Before you hit confirm, verify everything twice. Transactions are irreversible, so ensure you're sending to the correct address. Once confirmed, the transfer should process within minutes to a few hours, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on your email or app notifications for confirmation. Finally, once it's done, log back into Binance US and check your wallet to confirm the deposit. If everything looks good, you're all set. Remember, always prioritize security. Use two-factor authentication and consider the potential for market fluctuations during transfers. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.